President Biden and Vice President Harris traveled separately Wednesday to view the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. The vice president visited Georgia, where she spoke about federal support for emergency response teams. One state to the north, President Biden surveyed South Carolina, looking down on the broken homes and smeared landscape from the air because main roads were inaccessible. He then went to Raleigh, North Carolina to receive an official briefing. During remarks there, he called for disasters like this to be approached in a nonpartisan manner.
I want to thank Republican Governor of South Carolina and the Democratic Governor of North Carolina and all the elected officials who focused on the task at hand. In a moment like this, we put politics aside. At least we should put it all aside, and we have here. There are no Democrats or Republicans, there are only Americans. And our job is to help as many people as we can, as quickly as we can, and as thoroughly as we can.
Rural Tennessee was also hard hit by Hurricane Helene, and in the town of Erwin, 11 workers at a plastics factory were swept away Friday in the raging floodwaters. 5 were rescued, but 2 died, and 4 others are unaccounted for. Workers said the company, Impact Plastics, told them to work through the flash flood warnings and only dismissed them once the parking lot was flooded and conditions became too dangerous. On Wednesday, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation said it is looking into the allegations. CBS News national correspondent Manuel Bojorquez joins us now from Erwin. What are Tennessee officials and the plastics factory saying in response to these allegations?
Well, Impact Plastics, in its initial statement, denied that any worker was told to stay put or was told that they would be fired if they left. In fact, they referenced some people just got up and left on their own. But today I spoke with an employee, Robert Jarvis, who says they started to move their cars to higher water in the parking lot on Friday. And then they asked, can we leave? Because they started to feel like the situation was getting too dangerous. He says his superior said, we can't leave until I get the green light from higher up. And by the time that she got that, 10 minutes or so, he says, had elapsed. And in that time, the waters rose so dramatically around them that it was then too dangerous for many to get out. They tried to get out in their cars. Some of them tried to jump on a higher profile vehicle, which, according to witnesses, rolled over when debris started to come down with the floodwaters, and some people were then washed away. That is why the Tennessee Bureau of Investigations has decided to open a probe into all of these allegations tonight.
And Manny, what do we know about the 2 factory workers who have been confirmed dead, and what's been the community response so far to this tragedy?
Yeah, there was a news conference today where people showed up, families of the missing. Many of them are immigrant families who work there from Latin America. They were frustrated and angry. They do not feel that the search is really getting the results that they need. In other words, to find their missing relatives. They even asked to join the search themselves. But officials are saying, look, that is simply too dangerous right now. They say they are doing their best, that there are more than 100 people covering an area that goes on for about a mile. That is the debris field where they feel they may be able to locate some of these victims.
Manuel Bojorquez in Erwin, Tennessee. Thank you.